welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Radiant Diva. So guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to join the family, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first person to always get my video each time I drop a new one. Yes guys, so to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. And if you want to join the online training class, yes, we are still taking students. Just write me on my Instagram page. Also write me via my WhatsApp, and my contacts are below the description box, and my Instagram page also is also written here. Yes guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different type of oils you can use for stretch mark. Okay, this is combo oil combos for stretch mark. Perfect, tested, and trusted. These oil are great. Okay, when it comes to stretch mark, they are great. You can use them alone. You can also promise with them, and you can also mix them together and use together guys. So these oil are great for stretch mark and for scars. They are going to help to eliminate stretch mark. They are going to help to eliminate scars. So guys, the first oil that I'm going to be introducing to you guys is the recovering oil. Yes guys, when it comes to stretch mark, recovering oil is great. This is pure oil. It's not a serum, it is pure oil. And when it comes to stretch mark, it is good for stretch mark, and it is also good for scars. Not just that alone. Okay, I'm just going to read out the benefits of this oil on the skin. So this helps the appearance of scars and stretch mark. It helps to improve the skin tone. It hydrates the skin tone. It also helps to maintain the elasticity of your skin. Yes guys, so how you are going to use the stretch mark after you must have finished taking your bath, you're just going to gently massage just put little on your hand and massage it wherever you have your scars. Massage it wherever you have your stretch mark. And talking about stretch mark and scars, you can also use this recovering oil on your face, not just on your body alone. Okay, so don't get it twisted guys, and use this recovering oil on your face, not just stretch mark alone, because it's great for scars, and it's also going to help to lighten up your skin. So you can mix it with your body lotion. Let's just say you are making a lotion, and due to some serums that you will be using to make that lotion, you're scared of scar, you're scared of stretch mark, or you're scared of green vein. You're thinking, okay, maybe this lotion, based on you added some serum inside, just for you to be on the safer side, you make sure that you're adding 1 bottle of your recovering oil inside your lotion, just to be on the safer side. Okay, so you can also add crude chenacol inside your lotion, but this one is also a must to add inside your lotion if you have it. Okay, but still, if you don't have it, there are also other stretch mark oil that you can also add or mix to your lotion that can help you to prevent stretch mark, and that can also help you to eliminate the stretch mark on your skin. So guys, if you also want to make a promising oil, let's just say you want to make a lightening oil, and that lightening oil, you are using some hot oil inside that may possibly give you a stretch mark, so you can also add your recovering oil inside to prevent stretch mark and to also help to eliminate stretch mark. So this one is called the recovering oil. It is good for stretch mark and also good for scars guys. So the other oil guys is the Bao Oil. This is called a Bao Oil. This is great for stretch mark and scars. Man, this oil is great. Trust me, these oil combos I'm showing you, they are really great for stretch mark. Massage it on your skin. See, let me tell you something. Even if you're using this oil on your stretch mark, make sure that you are exfoliating. Exfoliation is the key. Make sure you are scrubbing your skin. If you have stretch mark on your legs, if you have it on your lap, if you have it on your skin, wherever you have stretch mark, always use scrub 3 times in a week and massage your oil on that very part. Okay, or if you are making a lotion, you also add your Bao Oil inside to prevent stretch mark and scars. Okay guys, this is Bao Oil. It is really great for stretch mark and scars, and you can also use it to make a facial cream, a facial oil. It's not only for your body, it is also for the face also. So this is also great one. I also use this one, and it is great and it works perfect, work good. So you can promise this one. If you want to make a promising stretch mark oil, you can use Bao Oil to also promise your stretch mark oil, guys. So the other oil is a rescue oil. Rescue oil is great for stretch mark, it's great for scars, it's great for wrinkles. So this is also one great stretch mark oil you can use to make your lotion. You are making your lotion, you are scared of stretch mark, or you want to clear up stretch mark, or you want to prevent stretch mark, add one of this inside your lotion. Guys, I did not say you should add all of them inside your lotion though. Just pick the one you want to use. It is not compulsory that you add this inside lotion, add the recovering oil inside lotion, add the Bao Oil inside lotion. No, just pick one and add it inside your cream. It is good. Pick one and add it inside your lotion, your oil. It is good. Now you want to make a perfect stretch mark oil. What you do, you take from this and you take from these two. Let's just say, okay, 3 of them, they are both for stretch mark and scars, and you want to make a promising stretch mark oil. You get 3 of these, okay? You get from here, you get from these 2, and you also get coconut oil. Okay guys, coconut oil is great for stretch mark, the liquid one, not the thick one. Get coconut oil, like 50 ml coconut oil. Get 50 ml of what is it called, this oil, castor oil. Yes guys, sorry. So get 50 ml of the castor oil. Castor oil help when it comes to skin, like seriously, anything skin healing, castor oil is great. So get 50 ml of the castor oil, get 50 ml of the coconut oil, then you get 50 ml of this one, you get 50 ml of the Bao Oil, you get 50 ml of the rescue oil. Mix them together, and this is your stretch mark oil. Okay, this is your stretch mark oil. Great, perfect. And if you want to add anything additive inside, like anything additive, just add aloe vera powder inside. Like drop some, just little drop of aloe vera powder inside this oil. It will just be infusing inside the oil. So I know that aloe vera is great for stretch mark. It's #1 remedy for stretch mark, right? So you get these oils together, coconut oil 50 ml, you get castor oil 50 ml, you get these oils 50 ml each, add them together, shake them together, and add a little bit of aloe vera powder inside, and you add some drop of lavender essential oil inside. Lavender essential oil is for stretch mark mainly. The purpose is for stretch mark, apart from giving you this nice smell, but the main purpose, the benefit of lavender essential oil is for stretch mark. So you add a little bit of your lavender essential oil inside, mix everything together, you have your stretch mark combo oil, and it is great. It's going to help to reduce the appearance of your stretch mark, and also help to reduce the appearance of your scars, and it's also going to help to prevent further future stretch mark. Guys, so try this remedy and come and thank me later. Try this remedy and come and thank me later. These products are great, and when it comes to Bao Oil, there's no fake. When it comes to the rescue oil, there's no fake. When it comes to the recovery oil, no fake. So don't panic like you're going to get a fake one and it's not going to work for you. Relax, no fake, okay? These oils don't have fake, guys, trust me. So that is it. If you have any question regarding this video, regarding stretch mark, regarding whatsoever product, you can also mix with this with this one that you can use to make a stretch mark cream, stretch mark butter, stretch mark oil. Yeah, I'm going to reply back. Okay guys, so I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Love you all.